Hello, welcome to Moose's Workshop. We thank you for joining us. On this series that we're going to do about flooding here in Nebraska and Iowa, we're going to touch on some of the subjects of repair and fixing and trying to come back from this awful experience. Everybody knows somebody or family that has been affected by this trauma, and we just want to try to help out as much as possible. Here are some of the subjects that we'll be talking about in videos and posts on the Facebook page, on the website, and YouTube page. All videos will be subtitled because, well, I'm deaf and there's other deaf viewers. Here are some of the subjects: fixing broken gutters, roofing damage, replacing drywall and insulation that gets wet, moving a shed to higher ground, sealing a basement concrete wall, replacing concrete on sidewalks and driveways that have heaved up or moved because of the flooding, fixing and replacing windows, contouring yard for proper drainage, fixing a waterlogged lawnmower, cutting down a tree and planting new ones. If there's any other subjects you think we should be doing, please comment below. Things like plumbing or anything like that. Some of our videos, yes, are going to be simple, and some are going to be more complex, like the replacing a drywall in a flooded house. A little bit of something for everybody, so it touches on a little bit of subjects, but there's other ones you want to see in the future. We'll gladly do them for you. We hope something has helped you in this video, but be sure to contact a local professional, your city code department, even FEMA before starting any project. This is just to help you get started. Thank you for tuning into Moose's Workshop. We hope that everybody recovers from this flood. Hopefully the rush of water that's coming ain't going to do any damage. But together we are strong.